All work and no play leave your dog bored, frustrated, and anxious. Like kids, your dog needs exercises and your company. So what should you do when you know that you need to spend all day working hard? And what's the best way to offer your dog the fun, stimulating, and exciting exercise that she needs? Well, we have an easy and super exciting answer to these questions. Now meet Wicked Bone, a bone-shaped interactive gaming device that performs like a truly smart, fun, and wonderfully wicked companion of your dog. It couldn't be more exciting, really. Wicked Bone is really easy to use. Just download the Wicked Bone app and connect via Bluetooth, and you can start playing with your dog. Move it with its virtual joystick. Wicked Bone feels just like any other video game. Wicked Bone's 9 preset motions are able to constantly keep your dog highly focused. The interactive mode is perfect for the moments when you're busy doing something important. When the interactive mode is activated, it is wired to guide your dog to play with it. Wicked Bone acts responsively to different types of touch based on its original emotional system, always in a playful manner that keeps up with your dog's mood and reactions. Wicked Bone lets you choose or set different modes to play indoors and outdoors. And you could even play it without looking at your phone. The FDA class material of Wicked Bone's body, cover, and the tires are certified, safe for humans and pets. Charged once for 1 hour, Wicked Bone lasts for 40 minutes in the drive mode, over 4 hours in the interactive mode, and 3 months in sleep mode. The replaceable tires are easy to clean and quick to put together. Simple, smart, efficient, and wickedly fun. Wicked Bone makes exciting days of health, happiness, and play be only one click away from you and your dog.